Hi and welcome to session 3. The body and mind are not separate, they are one unit. And so when we are stressed, there are changes in the brain and mind as well as in the body. Worrying thoughts, restless mind, shallow breath, tight muscles. All of this together is what we experience as stress. You are becoming aware of and learning techniques to let go of stress at all levels, body, breath, and mind. Today, let us continue the practice of body awareness, paying attention to the whole body, but particularly today to the feet. The feet are often out of view, and we don't pay enough attention to them, and so we often ignore stress and tightness in the feet. So today, let's explore that area, reminding ourselves that the feet carry us around, they ground us, they give us stability, and help us stand tall. So let us begin today's session by taking a few slow, deep breaths. In through the nose and out through the mouth. And allowing the breathing to return to its natural rhythms. Gently close your eyes and bring your attention to the contact between body and floor and experience the sensations. Notice the full weight of the body. Mentally scanning your body, notice how your whole body feels right now. Now starting from your feet, we'll slowly move up, exploring the sensations, noticing any areas of stress, starting with your left foot, bringing your attention to the sole of the left foot. Moving your attention to all the toes, starting with your big toe and becoming aware of all the other toes on the left foot. The top of the left foot. Your whole left foot, becoming aware of any tightness. The sole of your right foot. Starting with your big toe, then becoming aware of all the toes on the right foot. top of the right foot, your whole right foot, left ankle, right ankle, left shin and calf muscles, right shin and calf muscles, left knee, right knee, left thigh, right thigh, hips and pelvic area, abdomen, chest, your whole back, your whole right arm, your whole left arm, back of the neck, shoulders, going deeper into the shoulders and back of the neck, your throat, noticing all the muscles of the face, the chin and jaw, mouth, upper and lower lip, cheeks, nose, ears, right eye, left eye, eyebrows, forehead, your whole head and face. Now experiencing your whole body. Taking some time to notice any other areas of tension, tightness, or stress. Moving your attention back to the contact between body and floor. Notice the contact of air on the skin. Notice any light shining through the eyelids. And slowly and gently open your eyes. So did you notice any stress or tightness in the feet? Your awareness is increasing and slowly you're noticing just how much stress your body is holding on to. And as you become even more aware, you will realize that this is an unnecessary response and an unnecessary effort from the body. And this will ultimately help you let go of stress throughout the body. Now, before your next session, bring your awareness to the feet and notice any tightness and stress as you continue to increase your awareness and beat the stress. Have a wonderful day, and I look forward to seeing you back for session 4.